everyone, so I cannot believe how fast this arrived at home. But you guys, I just got my package and I ordered this on Monday and it's Wednesday, so I'm gonna show you guys things that I got. My daughter's here talking. Oh my god, I'm so excited because I'm gonna be trying new products, things that I have not tried ever. So came with my information, papers, yay! Okay, so of course I got the girls this from the sale, the $15 shampoo, conditioner, and also their detangler, which I'm so excited because it was gone, you guys. Like, I absolutely adore this. I even use it for my hair, so I got this 3. Okay, so then the next thing, which I'm so happy to try, is the Volumizing Revive shampoo. This gives you a lot of volume in your hair. I also got the conditioner. I'm so excited to try. I got the Reshape Root Lifter. So this is supposed to give you more volume, more lift. Yes, so I'll let you guys know how this actually works. So those are the things that I got. All of these products.